What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing what I think is one of the best layering combos in my collection. This is Hasivat by HSI layered with God of Fire by Cotidiano. And this combo just smells next level. So on its own, of course, Hasivat is known for that smoky pineapple, oak moss, and masculine depth. It's powerful, classy, and long-lasting. And then God of Fire, on the other hand, is juicy, tropical, and modern with mango, pineapple, and a smooth uh, sweetness that feels very high end. So if you put them together, let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so for the best balance, I go with 2 sprays of God of Fire first. Alright, there you go. Usually, I also apply it on my chest, on my arms, then 2 sprays of Hasivat afterwards. So it's equal parts mango venom and Hasivat perfume. Okay, so God of Fire creates the fruity base, of course, and Hasivat finishes everything with structure and strength. When these two come together, the opening is bright, juicy, and tropical. Then Hasivat kicks in with that smoky pineapple and woody backbone. It smells very luxurious, confident, and very unique. Definitely not something you smell on everyone. So I think performance is very insane. Projection is wow, it's so strong in the first few hours, and longevity, I'm assuming this should last you for a good 8 hours to probably 12 hours on your skin. And of course, it's going to be lasting longer if you apply it on your shirt. So this is the type of scent that makes people stop and ask what you are wearing. If you like fruity fragrances but still want something mature, powerful, and expensive smelling, this layering combo is definitely a must try. Let me know if you want more layering videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!